Hi there, students. Wherein. Okay, this is a pronoun or an adverb or a conjunction. Let's see, wherein as a pronoun. This is my diary. Wherein I keep details of all the things that I have to do. In which. This is the box wherein I keep all of my money. Inside which. This is the house wherein he lives. That's a conjunction. In which, where he lives. This is the room wherein I teach class. This is a subject wherein I find problems understanding certain sections. And then we can use wherein as well to mean in what way, how. So wherein was I wrong? Please show me wherein I made a mistake. How I made a mistake. Okay, wherein. Okay, it's difficult to know wherein he is going to find enough money to live. The two arguments are completely opposite, and it's impossible to know wherein lies the truth. Yeah, wherein lies the truth? Do you know? Okay, so wherein, how, in what way? Please explain to me, because I don't understand. Wherein did I make a mistake? Wherein, in which location? This is the south of London, wherein many businesses prosper. Also, during which the play was in the theatre for 6 months, wherein many accidents happened. During which period of time? I gave a class yesterday wherein the students were very problematic. During which, that's as a conjunction. Could you show me wherein I am wrong? How I'm wrong? How? In what way? And that's as an adverb. Okay, so wherein? The country wherein these people live. Please show them wherein I have made a mistake. Wherein have I made mistakes? Okay, so wherein, in which part? That is the room wherein I sleep. Okay, wherein can we find enough time to do this? Next week is very busy, but I don't know wherein we are going to be able to find time. Now notice this wherein is very formal. I think I'm probably going to give wherein a 9 in formality. So very often you ask me for 10s in formality. Wherein after, wherein before. This document, wherein at the beginning they called him Mr. Simmons, wherein after they called him John. After that point they called him John. That would be your 10. Yeah, wherein before they called him Mr. Simmons, wherein after they called him John. Okay, so wherein after. This is a pronominal adverb, which is very often used by lawyers as legal documents. And I think the idea of this is quite old. Wherein in where. And that's really the origin. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wherein, in which, wherein.